How to sign up and use Venmo. First things first, open up your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Venmo. Find the official app and tap Get or Install right beside it. Once it takes a second to download, just tap Open to get started. When the app opens, it'll ask if you want a personal or business account. If you're just paying friends back for food or concert tickets, a personal account is all you need. We'll select Personal for this guide and tap Sign Up. Go ahead and type in your phone number here, then tap Send Code. Venmo will text you a quick 4-digit security code. Just type that code right into the boxes on your screen and hit Submit Code. Now let's fill out your basic profile details. Type in your legal first name, legal last name, your email, and create a secure password. You'll also pick a unique username here. This is what your friends will look up when they want to pay you. Check the Legal Agreement box. Tap Next at the bottom, then tap Agree on the Final Disclosures page. Next, it'll ask if you want to sync your phone or Facebook contacts to find friends automatically. To keep things clean for this tutorial, I'm going to tap Skip for now at the bottom. Now you'll see your default payment settings: public, friends, or private. Public means anyone on the internet can see your text descriptions. Friends limits it to just people you know. Private hides it from everyone except you and the other person. I highly recommend changing this to private for your own security, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in the settings in just a second. For now, hit Done at the top right. If a notification pop-up appears, you can tap Not Now to keep your screen clean. Let's fix that privacy setting right away. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the dashboard, and then hit the little gear icon at the top right to open your settings. Tap on Privacy. See where it says Public? Let's tap Private instead, and confirm it by hitting Change Anyway. Perfect. Now your transactions are completely hidden from the public feed. Let's go back to the home page. The absolute core of how Venmo works is either paying or requesting money. Whenever you're ready, tap the big Pay or Request button right at the bottom center. Up top, you can search for a friend using their real name, their @username, phone number, or email. You can even tap the little QR code icon if they have their screen open right next to you. Once you select your friend, type in the amount. Let's do $20. Type a quick note below it so they know what it's for, like dinner. From here, it's a simple choice. Tap Request if they owe you the money, or tap Pay if you are sending the money over to them right now. Let's head back to the homepage to check out a couple of extra features. If you look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the card icon, this is where you can look into ordering a physical Venmo debit card to spend your balance directly at stores. Right next to it is the crypto icon. If you tap that, you can actually browse, buy, and track popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin right inside your Venmo app. And that's all there is to it. You're completely set up and ready to use Venmo. If you also use Cash App and want to move funds over here without paying any fees, click right here to watch my step-by-step guide on how to transfer funds from Cash App to Venmo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there.